Good morning, folks. Well, it's a week. No, it's 2 weeks after Easter, and this is going to be a very short one. Just a quick reminder for those who are even worse than I am, as German insurance rules ask you to have proper tiring during winter time, which means snow and mud classified wheels on your car. They can be all-season tires or specially made for winter. The all-season tires you can run all year, so I guess for those of you in the US that's more common. In Germany many people do change their wheels, and yeah, like a thumb rule defines you do it, you run the summer tires between Easter and October, and vice versa. Now it's 2 weeks after Easter. It's quite warm now. We have 20 degrees outside, and this is just a safety reminder to you. Yeah, get prepared. Leave your wheels changed or change them yourself. In the nice condition. I have the proper tools, and I don't want to bore you how to change those wheels. You've seen all that. That's boring. I just came out of the washing street, you call it like that? Well, at least I got the car washed. As you can see, the bolts and everything does not look too nice, but the rims are clean, as I really don't like to put away those aluminum wheels dirty, because what happens is this: when I last changed them, I didn't properly clean them, so I have a clean car now and dirty wheels. Well, whatever. Yeah, I guess that's it. Just wanted to send out this reminder, and stay safe and healthy. See you in a bit. Bye.